this tip of the day, let's take a look at reversing the polarity of the x-axis within OneCNC lathe. Now in this example, we're using a Morosiki post-processor, and I've performed a roughing operation and a finish operation. Let's quickly generate a CNC program. I'm going to double-click on the toolpath group. From here, we're going to select Post, and I'm just going to save this on our desktop. We'll click Save to that and Replace. And you'll notice that right now, all the X values happen to be positive values. Now, if we want to change these X values to negative values, it's very simple. Let's head back inside of OneCNC, and we're going to edit the post processor. There's two ways to access the post. You can double click here on the toolpath group, and you can select Setup. That's one technique. Another technique is to head up to the upper left-hand corner, select NC Setup, and this takes you to the exact same place. All you need to do is click on the Coordinates tab, and where it says Scale Y, change that from a positive 1 to a negative 1. Click OK, and that's it. So now when we generate a CNC program, again, we're going to double-click. We're using the exact same post processor. We'll click Post. Again, I'm just going to save this to the desktop. We're going to overwrite. And now if you take a look at the X values, they're all negative. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button.